I'm out here in Ellsworth, Iowa. I picked up my unit last night. It's snowing like crazy, like super crazy. So I'm here at the Loves in Ellsworth, right off I-35 South. And I got a taco. I got two tacos. This one is sausage, egg, and cheese. And this one is the steakhouse breakfast taco. I also got a cold pressed juice. Because I'm attempting, right? Like I'm pretending to lose weight. With shitty fucking food decisions. Oh. Wait a minute. This is a burrito. Oh, it says taco, but it's whatever. It's wrapped up. So it's shitty gas station food. Let's see what the other one's like. Sausage, egg, and cheese. My 10-hour clock resets about 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna get the hell out of here around then. This is the steak one. Just as shitty as the first one. I'm gonna rinse my mouth out just to give the juice a fair shake, since it's probably the highlight of this video. Oh, that's fucking gross. It's Berry Delight. It has cherry, cranberry, purple carrot, strawberry, raspberry, black, mulberry, and bilberry. 100% vegetable and juice blend. It fucking tastes like it. This is gross. Oh God, why? Whatever. All right, I'm out. Second thing. The cheese is at the bottom of this, and it makes that fucking delicious. The cheese saved this thing. Hell yeah, I should have started at the other end. I'm about to get ready to get up out of here. I got some snacks. Trail mix, protein, and some rosemary cashews. Since I'm outside, I'll show you guys the RV. We're gonna mosey. It's not too bad. It's a little slow, but the big rigs are moving. So I'm gonna get moving too.